Hi, and welcome to the Marketing Metrics Crash Course, where you'll learn how to apply 4 metrics to real-life business situations. These metrics will be applied to the Aussie Pooch mobile at the operations level, focusing on people, place, and price.
There are 2 major objectives that Aussie Pooch mobile services are currently striving towards. Number 1 is market penetration. The objective is to better understand the needs of their existing customers and service them more accurately, gaining greater customer loyalty. And number 2 is market development. This objective aims to grow the franchisees of Aussie Pooch Mobile, enabling the firm to extend and increase brand awareness across broader regions. So, let's take a look at some metrics that would be useful to measure the achievement of such objectives.
One useful metric would be percentage and compound annual growth rates. The marketing metric of percentage and compound annual growth rates analyses the current and potential future growth within an organisation by comparing numerical figures from either long periods of time or from one year to the next. Incorporating this style of metric into Aussie Pooch Mobile would allow for a greater understanding of their trends, demands and costs associated with the expansion of the organisation. Aussie Pooch Mobile could utilise their database information and analysis skills to identify the rates of growth, performance and success of their franchisees and the overall organisation. Currently, Aussie Pooch Mobile has achieved a level of stagnation in regards to their expansion and growth within the organisation. Determining a heightened and more developed understanding of the growth within the franchisees would initiate the greater performance due to increased knowledge of growth factors. As a result of the implementation of this metric, Aussie Pooch Mobile will be able to achieve an increased level of market penetration and development within the existing markets at the people and place operational stages. A second metric would be market return on investment. Market return on investments indicates the increased profitability and sales in one's organisation. Through the utilisation of the marketing contributions and activities, this then empowers the organisation to construct better decisions regarding future investment. The objective of this metric in Aussie Pooch Mobile is to improve the promotional side of the marketing mix that will encourage greater consumer awareness, attention and sales due to the marketing contributions, as well as the monitoring of return profits on marketing activities. Currently, there are minimal marketing programs associated with the organisation. It would be recommended that these programs be increased on the physical resources utilised, as well as online platforms. Consequently, the potential execution of the metric would enable the achievement of the marketing development objective in regards to the people and the operational level.
Another effective metric is price elasticity. It measures the responsiveness of quantity to changes in price. It is calculated by dividing the change in price by change in demand. For example, it could be used to provide valuable information to Aussie Pooch Mobile about customer satisfaction. For instance, with a negatively sloped demand curve, it is expected that increasing the pricing for franchisees would deter people from wanting to become franchises of Aussie Pooch Mobile, decreasing demand. Applying price elasticity of demand would allow the firm to understand how best to get new franchisees into the business by understanding market responsiveness to price. Aussie Pooch is struggling to expand the brand due to high prices for franchising. Therefore, this metric would suggest that their current pricing strategy is ineffective to achieve their objective, and if they lower costs for franchising, then they would be able to expand their services across an even broader demographic and achieve their market development objective at the people and pricing operational level. Measuring website visitors and visits is another key metric. It looks at customer behaviour on a company's website, providing data on how many visitors click on a specific service page, as well as how many times an individual user visits the page, providing companies with insights into their products and services. For instance, on Aussie Pooch Mobile's central website, they have individual landing pages for their different services. Viewing how many visitors click on individual services could inform Aussie Pooch Mobile as to what services are valued most by customers. If there are greater visitors and views on the Hydrobuff page, this might suggest for Aussie Pooch to devote resources to promoting this particular service. There can be issues with this metric, as page visits counts multiple views from the same user. However, this difference can provide further insights for companies. For example, for Aussie Pooch Mobile, looking at page visits could reveal return customers to a particular page. This could prompt the company to send the visitor a particular promotion for that service. This metric can improve customer loyalty and assist the company to achieve their market penetration goal at the operational levels of people and place. So we hope these metrics are useful and that you know how to apply them to real-life business situations now.
Created using Powtoon.